It is our view that it is our order that the petitioners, as well as the third respondents, shall be granted a read-only access, which includes copying, if necessary, of the following information. A, information relating to the number of servers in the exclusive possession of the first respondent. B, firewalls without disclosure of the software version. C, operating systems without releasing the software version. D, the password policy. E, the password matrix. F, system user types and levels of access. G, the IEBC election technology system redundancy plan, comprising of its business continuity plan and disaster recovery plan. H, certified copies of certificates of penetration tests conducted on the IEBC election technology system prior to and during the 2017 presidential election. These will include certified copies of all reports prepared pursuant to Regulation 10 of the Elections Technology Regulations 2017, and shall include certified copies of certificates by professionals prepared pursuant to Regulation 10.2 of the Technology Regulations. I, specific GPRS location of each KIMS kit used during the election for the period between the dates and including 5th August 2017, an ICT officer designated by this court from among its ICT staff and 2 independent IT experts appointed by the court shall supervise access to the technology in paragraph 72 above, at such a venue as they may determine in consultation with the parties. A report on that exercise and related issues shall be filed by the said officer and experts by 5 p.m. on Tuesday, 29th August 2017, and parties at liberty to submit on it at the end of the hearing. The parties to the petition are entitled to have a maximum of 2 agents or experts in each of the above exercises. The agents shall at all times comply with the directions of the registrar and the ICT officer to ensure expeditious conclusion of the above exercise. The registrar of this court, assisted by a number of judicial officers and staff, as she may determine, shall supervise access to the certified copies of original Forms 34A and Forms 34B by the petitioners and third respondents at such a venue as she shall determine in consultation with the parties. A report on that exercise and related issues shall be filed by the registrar by Tuesday, 29th August 2017 at 5 p.m. and parties are at liberty to submit on it at the end of the hearing.